Hello everyone, I hope that you all are fine and doing well. Okay, in this video, I will tell you about an app where you can mine Bitcoin for free. Well, it is a legit and a real method to mine Bitcoin. Okay, I have given the link to this app in the description of this video. If you install this app by clicking on the link in the description of this video, then you will get 15% extra earning for lifetime. So just click on the link in the description of this video and you can install this app either on your laptop or your mobile phone. Now I will take you to this app. Well, after you have installed it, you will see this icon. You have to click it. The name of this app is Crypto Tab. Okay, now you will have to click on Crypto Tab dashboard. Well, you can see your enable cloud option here. You have to enable it. Okay, you can see I have enabled it, and you can see I am getting a hash rate of about 1500. Okay, you can see that I have earned about 4000 Bitcoin Satoshi. And when you will click on the enable option, it will be for 3 hours. After every 3 hours, you will have to enable this cloud mining option. And after you have enabled it, you can simply close this app and do whatever you want on your mobile phone. Okay, the minimum withdraw amount is around 1000 Bitcoin Satoshi. Let me show you. Well, you can see here. Well, you can withdraw your earned Bitcoin amount directly into your Bitcoin wallet. And it is a real and legit method to earn free Bitcoin. Alright, well, I hope that I have made everything clear, and you can just click on the link in the description of this video and install this app on your mobile phone or laptop, and you can start mining Bitcoin. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel.